entunim say Mahama third term agenda no enkomo no etu antwaye eda so a ekoso kuntina se ayebola soja ase edum ase so ase wo ho ase agu ase wo ho ase yeka ase egya ka eno ana Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu one Bonohene abe blast prophet Roja Akyem Asuom hene no Kwame A+ any NDC for na omo call for third term Mahama no omo akeka mo adwen pa e de akere wo mu mema nkyere mu no akere wa adwen ade ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media me so say need mo obe like video na da ma subscribe button number click notification icon of latest update na be kere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section me so ba so no share for so anya bi ahwe you know video we mon modern an share ma NDC ni bi ansanka bi bra mon share ma wo mu be tu wo mu fo mon tie mi ye NDC for no ho mu di mon panimfo na tem na mu hu se mu di o matem Mudi sebe Johnson esedin ketia mudi na tem se munu amechiri mu amate ase ndam se mudi na tem Honorable Roja chief of staff mudi na tem se muni mu a me bechiri ma kire mo any obi biara owo ambition ese obe lead NDC party no obe di party no se ni bakro no mudi na tem indirectly na entre mu nie Ghana mra kire se ye to oba enipa so obe gina na 2-3 so oba na so o we ni a Akonya no was waiting be president for 2 term. Obe transfer 4 years. Now that transfer unfie na bi ma 8 years. We wadwuma kwatena fie. Party no enipa wom. Na wo fro emedi party nim emfa nko agukansi mu. But here's the case here. Mahama abetwa na 8 years or be wie 2028 years we win the 2 term as a president was na akwawe ye. I was enka o free ho a 8 years na chi no okofie na foforo ebedi party anim. And for a call for say Mahama and go for third term. Onko third term. Na ome third term president. Say omuka da asem the time so mudo mumpeni for term ni say. So omuka da asem na. Mo party say sabe. Any party kakraka we no. Say mudi mani famu a aside Mahama sabe. Obi an wanyansa woni tiri obetuma di party nanim. Obetumi ebu Ghana. Sana mo party say mo nti de mo kana se a. Mo party say sabe. Say Mahama ni hobie mu a muni obi anyansa wo ni tirimu biem obetun di party nanim de mo pa kire se monten monsam kekan na se a mu de munsu anyansa se munnim de mo kekan sa Mahama tete agenda mo call for no indirectly mu di mo mpanimfo atemtu munyai because mo pa kire se onu nko ana nyansa wo ni tirim mudi mo di fa NDC party kakraka ni mu no mo se sebe Mahama nko ani nipa nyansa wo ni tirimu a obetimi lead Ghana obetimi rule oman anytime mo person no osaba biem na se onu ni hobie mu a sebe NDC party mu ni nyansa ni bia o mu biem de mo pa kire no afei mo atiase ti munyai munsua nyansa na munya tetem asem ne ka munya tetem ne ka na mu di mo mpanimfo atem you are not mu di mo mpanimfo atem se mu ni mu a mu di mo mpanimfo atem because NDC party ne eson ye wanyansa fo bebere wo mu he Honorable Roja chief of staff oni mu nyansa nyansa dokoro no papa ni mu nyansa atwere da ni tirimu Johnson ni kesia papa oni mu nyansa atwere da ni tirimu ora say out of forcing o munyina atwere da mu tirimu nyansa wo bi ate wetima lead o man konkon Ghana but mo force ya pa kire Ghana for say sebe etitira mo bom dinyo mu ni mu nyansa na Mahama nko na adwene ni tirimu ni nyansa on tirimu a yensa ma ne mra mudi o matamu mu ni mu ana mudi mu mpanimfo atem etani die mo munyai atem dide na mudi mu mpanimfo mu nhye video yi MNDC ni bi ansan kabro mu nsu nyansa mu nhye ma wo mu no mu nsan kami no mu mesi o mu metie nyansa sem no mu metie nyansa sem na ebi mu jime dodo this same issue of third term agenda no a mi ma wo kirikiri mu ye no eno mi comedy ane so a on say estati ache Emma he says to grab a tron mu tuo say me nko for third term Maria Madjuma 2028 Maria Madjuma but setere edis von bishi sekuntu na se ese Mahama go for another term Emma na nsia mu no Prophet Roja Eden commission eba yes amafo just enya commission na mum no indirectly or be test what test na ahwe se be fa is what they go from commission side
it is here say wo mama konya se menka asembia wa asembia meka be take effect by 2026 from June echo if you can record this video na enye nsenda I said be drew on my you go out and bring the video. So I want this to be recorded.
Okay.
Mama info Ura Ghana Parliament House.
Okay.
The Parliament House. Asem na make an mood ba meka. Ura Ghana Parliament House me who say there is a communication be in the realms is ahead of us. As our communication, you know, a baba says somebody. Na sam running says any we pay you are. Ebeba be Ura Ghana election 2026 ye be unity. And komodie bi be koso. Our Ghana Parliament House.
Okay.
2026 yiko ya. Sam komodie ni koso a ebeba ba be wie Ghana ya bato. Ebaba be wie Ghana bato a. Ebema niema bi a ewo ho ne ensesa. Ebe wo ho saa kopim 2028 eni nachi. Ensesa.
So we breaking it down kakama me. Parliament be amendment wo mrabim.
Emrabim.
Some mra be affect 2028
election.
Ye beto no.
Affect election na. Ye huni nde no. Ye be huni saa ensesa. Me pese eyi ni ti na maba na be breaking it down ma.
Dreaming and I want who be fa 10 be one as I dear walk and me the margin bubua as I yes some rabbi na say ma dear wo ho e wo ho no mo a na say any man sesa
ensesa bibia.
Do you see say a man penny betimi asan akobio?
I have seen it. Say he's going for the 3rd time and he will win the election. That is it. Until say Entina meka say me pese unity. Na me breaking yama be down here. Emma Ghana for TSA.
Okay.
And for the good
of the country.
Of the country. In a way. And in another way so no bibi wa chide. Bibi wan ma be chire sa de kro.
When na hu ye ne ye de ye hu bibi e be ye yie no bi. Anase we de nyame aka. Nti ye hwe a enye yie.
Enkomo bi koso. I have seen some common na koso am epo cry ya abo awie. Se poni nya bo wie dia ye ho hwea. Sa na wo sisi.
Na se pona ntimi amo anwia.
Pona ntimi amo anwia. Ani ne ebeja ato ba still na de ye hu ne de sa na ebi hu no. Ti na de sa na ti.
Asama wo kan de.
Emodu pa. Emodu pa. But this is ahead of us.
No.
Say how they starting no. It's ahead of us as a country. You know, ebedru baby no, the oil premise, the oil pay to me, the oil campaign, the oil ye no. Beba be there mo asem. Beba be obi ne yere ne man na dofo nkomo. Champagne be tuni de me mpia bonten. Se enya wura de mahunu na de me ka no, unity a obi aha no. Political party bi enye ha no. Se de me mahu no, start unity na angel for kofa Roja video we. Eba bonti say prophet Roja bekan enya unity e ha ho enko campaign ha ho for sika to no
de nyame aka ne no ane
ha ho na etwen be 16 years ansa na bi sika no akwa dia baby because ebe jinsemu.
And I'll say it will be for the good of the country.
It will be for the good of the country for sure.
Abusia yane as usual say wa winim se mekase akofa Roja City International bafi ha enti yane prophet LD Roja ene ebon komo ena no pay de odi abebo mu de age mensam minim so so age won nsam bi
Emma Kwame A+ eso ko tena Facebook e ho no ko make post ono de parliament amanfo so de gina e kire madwen on issues no ontimi nka bi no abetena Facebook na the writer na Neura trachira brofo ten dia post ya mano na Kwame A+ eje hu anu monyam enye easy Kwame A+ betra fere ho no make post na o kire mu say adeti kra na Mahama ye man go for 3rd term because ohwe Dubai UAE ne other countries ni be mo tumpon na eye nipo akona tena so che ye no you know otima bo man na mo man na konanim bagana dey 4 years wa kwabro so 8 years emwa etika Mahama on the Mahama nya adwese Mahama kase onko bi ma on his excellency enya adwene eti Mahama ehweye na want me make changes in the constitution called emra ya na etwere ye o make changes na wan san ko bi Kwame A+ kasa ye no ho me hwe na mu say there be honorable with all due respect one can say you double as a lawyer a virtue of you being an MP you double as a lawyer the moment you're in the house you are called a lawyer. Automatically, you are a lawyer. And as a lawyer, you know better. Imagine saying Kufuor the ordinance abeka constitution no asa tena Ghana so bi ma enke den na besi Ghana ha o man ni kaja betom o man Ghana enke ja betom ene di mo dwese mo ye special mo ye nipa se obi anase de ene di mo wo mo ye superhumans mo ye nipa se obi anase de mo de obi hu a enye ba mo de all of a sudden say me maintain this voice you mo wo fie Most in for the power drank, and an autocratic leader, and the Nebuchadnezzar can be, and what you say, and we will 2 years train home, and no crying so be corner that time. Neighbor so you did not to coffee, but there must or Joe or bread and once or no crank aside, but mom wait to know, and a moment was your fans. Yodium. It is meaning. Engines and Benny. Engines and Barbini. I'm a rabbi than it. Topic for discussion on social media handles. It may be interesting Mahama and go for third tape any other day. And on our back here, Okatakyie Afrifa Bonohene. Hey, why you many posts on that through the Facebook page for the records? Hey, we're making many posts. Our three sessions addresses on Kai and Konoma Yana is obey the current president for life. On Kai the tone Konoma you to Namu Omu to Namu to Guye. A nipa bedi Ghana Kunyaso. I want to come here so Omu hand over power. Who are 2 Omu? Nancy wa tara no Lauren Babu Cote d'Ivoire who dey see ye e ma Afrifa bobo ni titiri na ni ntiri bebrebe so aje say ye do kurita etu omammo etugu ye e ma Nancy Guinea Bissau o do ti Mahamafo ba za ohwe nsem a still one for Isaac kan inframe mu eno ana Afrifa make post e no tirim say excellency said your plans etie bia no or no Afrifa or we show well or we show all the best na all the best Afrifa wish no hey you know. So when the previous post wedding can be clear, and was our tears here. That all the best now. I wish you well. Well, no. And was our tears here. Say Mahama tempted third term agenda. The kind of the kind of demonstration your obe face, you know, he will be shocked. He will obey surprise. Obey surprise. Every can do we ya Akyem Bonohene. Asem was social media na we ene nsem a okeka
Zaman for started some test water so many abro saden yo dia samwa omo se yamma mampan John Dramani Mahama third term
we
na mse mu impressive
wa hwe
akwaba obi obebie na no aka se yamma mampan John Dramani Mahama third term bia no manu dasumina so nananom maso makonyam oyi kurasini
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nteno
sani pana dia friend peace asundue wonte ase sani pan hoyo woni tim
Even this foolishness, it is foolishness.
sani pan wo ye bomb man she man and a calculated work
Even this foolishness, it is foolishness. And yet, did you?
tian ko bana manu di no a calculated work ya wa himfu binom and some trofo binom siasos binom our master take kasa asem no
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
na wo yo hene na wo tena wo kase ya mama mpani third term na wan ko for the third term wo ya nsemtroni na wo fra ho nsemtroni a wo ju hudi sa wo som Ghana wo peja Ghana wo ma no kra yaji wo pe asundue wo Ghana you no go out and say ya mama mpani John Dramani Mahama third term
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nteno
so na ma ba bonten ya mama mpani John Dramani Mahama third term incresesem eya somewhere a bomb line shemai
I think on this point, he has misbehaved.
and to say we are hearing no one could sika friend this for what for musica come no sa third time no emma so na emma so china
Canada, Hodo.
John Mahama ntimi ko third time okrom ha bio
Shenia Kasa.
kantra this for no we kantra some trofo binom se sika na o ma kwaje a o ma de awie o ma yade but o mo masumdue nka Ghana
And I'm I don't know, can you?
see so ma shada now WhatsApp group no mo ha na yen ko ka sei mo yen try say mampan John Dramani Mahama ko tete me be ya want me nko I'm telling you today
I've been Cassia so that I've been 20 years.
constitution is setting clear sir mampan bi abatena konwa so a two times in Penyah wo wie na Ghana for so mo to an so ma ne nan ka ho a enwotwe enya nipa no kwa no wonyansa woni tim constitution ne se wonko no fufuro metwa so
And I'm I don't know, can
I decline the constitution Ghana ye mamra ye pimpam se say afi apem ahankro de okrumienu estetine clear
ne ka na da hodo
anti samampai John Dramani Mahama wabedi bi na wokọ na wase ba na wabedi mfinhia nan a ni mfinhia nan no duru a moma ne nkọ
my be da ho clear man no nsa man
na nyamampai John Dramani Mahama na na bia na no ka say after 4 years we no one contest bio wo pese asundue tena Ghana
eno na medwen ho a menti asem
Entabani sani ya san kwasha manfo kutupa. Nsamtrofo binom. Ahemfu bi omunim di omoye.
Wey boy.
Siasos binom.
Wow.
Na mu ba out be ka se. Owia se o deserve third term. The answer man nko third term.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Sa third term no odi agro asumdie na kita na be se e be bo.
ne ka na da hodo
Ana ba sa na soja fo ani abere no.
but me nsro
Power drunk. Ade kum African leaders. Aye power drunk. They are power drunk. Tumi abrom say sram.
Ana papa dia no ka no kuru si.
Entonya tumi ni wi a wo sori tumi ni so a na ye ne ya. But ye wo mra. Emra no na de duru ba bi a ye duru no.
I ask you to be citizens.
Enti nkrofo a makwaje pa ye plan pa den. Pa wiamfo. Pa wiamfo abom ti so.
Wey boy.
Won timi nkotetem bia. So ono na aka cham so person okotetem. Mon test waters ni wi amon ka che krachi. Eye.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Be ma baby wa me ni nyina. Ento pan wa wi akọ.
ne ka na da hodo
Na Ghana nje na sumdue.
Etumpan.
Because anybody akọ.
Geniaka.
Wo akakwa, wo achimoda, wo kofo dua, wo kumase, wo tamale, wo sampa, wo bono, wo ti. Lord fair crowd be ko baby no nya.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Say kitikiti esi o man Ghana. Bisa wo say he na obefa.
Wey
He na obeko.
wey
Cote d'Ivoire jedam.
wey
Burkina,
boy.
Guinea, Mali. He na wo ko. Uni baby akọ. Passport okura uni bi. Ento mo start sam kura sesam no wan this mu a. Stop them. You are so full okrum ha.
Omo de omo born na ye ka say omo ntem.
And I know say 31st December asofofo bi no bedi nsem hunu okrum ha. Ya mom sa chance no.
Hey, na 24 to be trouser.
I know, meaning say 31st December and asofofo sen kom.
Hey.
Nkom boni. Di omo plot no. Asofofo di omo start plot no na mahu. Amo be say nyame ayi a kire say mampanyi John Dramani Mahama won ka third term.
Wey
Ni aka to agum sa.
Wow.
Unya nyame nipa, unwene Ghana ho mpa asomdwe ye baifo. Was so for 31st December. I'm telling you today. We be general so them. Was Yankopon yi a kire no. Some mampanyi John Dramani Mahama won ka third term bia no ye baifo onya sofo.
ne ka na da hodo even is foolishness, it is foolishness. I got him did you
Because was so for nim nyansa.
but me nsro
Ɔsɔfo a wodwe no ɔman no ho. Ɔsɔfo a tumi kenkan te aseɛ. Deɛ mmara ne ka yɛ den. Mmara ne si 8 years asa.
Ana papa dia no ka no kuru si.
Enti nkɔgyina nkɔto mfuturo. Na asafo ma be yɛsɔfo aka deɛ. Ɔsɔfo wɔdidi me wo hwɛ no. De wɔnwene ho.
wo ka wie no so won ti ase
Wɔhyɛ nkɔm na ɔhyɛ firi ne yafunum.
wo ka wie no so won ti ase
Enti wɔde asɔfofoɔ no mpanyinfoɔ no me bu asɔfo ba me ka no kora kyerɛ mo 31st December yehu ye ne atinkwam sɔfo bi obɛba abɔnte abɛdi sa nkwase asɛm no sɛ mampanyin John Dramani Mahama wɔn kɔ tetem no ye ne nyina wo kurom ha
maka ne mbeza meka bia maka
yeso adwene bɛka kyerɛ no
Adwin kɛseɛ so da ya adwin keto anti aseɛ.
Kyerɛ wadwen ma me e wo comment section. Ha yi Penyah Media Accra.